Yo, what is going on, everybody? It is Tristan, and today in this video, what I got going on for you guys, another early pair here. This is going to be a sneaker that is dropping summer 2024. There is no confirmed date for it dropping yet, no month that's really, been set for it, but we're going to have that information soon, and this is basically for the Futura Labs in Nike SB Dunk Low. You guys can see some of the details on this, that box. It doesn't come with a special box. I'm sure it might have a special box pair, but just for the regular box, it's just going to be kind of that cream SB1 that we have, as you guys can see here. So that's really everything I need to say. And if you guys want more content like this, feel free to subscribe and like down below. Just trying to hit 200 likes in this video. This is a normal goal that I set, and you guys killed it on the military blue review. So I really appreciate that. You guys have been showing a lot of support lately, so that means a lot. It goes further than you know, and I got a lot to show you guys with this SB Dunk Low right here. Each one is kind of unique in its own way, and it's different for what we have at SB. So I'm going to show you all that, and that's pretty much the topic of this video. Don't forget, hit me up on my Instagram if anybody needs this pair. I got 10.5 and 11. Both come with, the box, all laces, everything. So just hit me up if you're interested there. Also got some military blues, some of the Kobe Venice Beaches. I got them listed on eBay also, so you can, hit me up Instagram. I'll send you my eBay page, or, Insta. You can just do the deal there. But that's it. And let's get into this review right here. So first things first, kind of looking at the Futura SB Dunk Low. What we're really going to dive into first things first is going to be the signature, which is on the tongue tag. There we go. Sorry, I don't know why I was messing that up, but you guys can see a little bit different. Usually we just have it saying, Nike SB or Nike SB Dunk Low Pro, but for this, as you guys can see, it says Raphael. Then we have the signature, and then it says Nike SB right there in that kind of same font. Sorry, I hadn't memorized that yet, but you guys can see that it's the same on both of these. It has that on them, just so y'all can kind of pay attention to that little detail. Then also on both of the sneakers, it has that same signature back here by the heel, as y'all can see that. That is on both of the pairs. Then we got kind of this dark blue, or not, I mean, it's kind of a dark blue. It's almost like a turquoise. If you guys know what the Ocean Dunk Low is, this colorway right here in hand is almost the same as the Ocean Dunk Low. So it's kind of like a turquoise, dark turquoise colorway. Maybe y'all can see that. That is on, again, both of these swooshes, and it's no mismatch. As you guys can see, that's the same on the inside. I know with the Race of Leals coming on March 19th of this year, I think those have a mismatch swoosh where it's pink on the outside and blue or something, dark blue on the inside. But these, y'all can see it's just the same color throughout the whole one, and probably one of my favorite parts of the sneakers, of this sneaker, excuse me. I don't know why I messed that up, but with this particular Dunk Low, and really any SB Dunk Low, I really love see-through soles or translucent soles, and you guys can see this exactly what we got with this one right here. You guys can see that same signature, just says Raphael. I believe that, yeah, that's what it says right there, so you all can read that right there, and that's also what it says. I'm not going to try and toss these around too much, but y'all can see that's what it says on this one right here. And yeah, for this pair, this is just a size 11 if y'all just kind of need a reference for the pair I'm holding right now. That is the size on this one, and you guys can see it's different on each one. So here's this side, and you flip around here, looks a little bit different. So we almost got kind of a what the theme, where you can see it's unique on each one. So I thought that's a really cool thing. Here y'all can see that as well. We got the thread showing here. Then we don't got on this one. Then we got kind of that blue thread, which is going around the toe box, as y'all can see that. That is on both of them right there, so don't forget that little detail. And then also we have unique insoles on these. I'll show you all some of the other things we got, since there's a lot to discuss with this SB Dunk Low. It is a canvas material, if that's not noticeable as well. This is a all canvas SB Dunk Low. So you're going to have to be very, especially with that toe box. Ooh, I mean, with how limited these are, with how expensive this SB Dunk Low is going to be, keep in mind, there's going to be 10,000 pairs of these. So there's not going to be a lot of these available. It's going to be a very limited, very expensive SB Dunk Low. But the fact that they just made it an all white canvas toe box, one scuff, you run into the one thing, one puddle, you're done for. You know what I mean? So you're definitely going to have to be careful with these, and make sure you keep them clean. That's one of the main things I will mention. But before we dive into the insole real quick, also want to show you all what we got going on with the laces, just the OG ones that they come with. So y'all can see we got kind of this split theme on the laces. Kind of got that brighter green, almost like a lighter blue, more or less a lighter blue. And you guys can see that we got kind of this purple that it splits into. Y'all can see that right there. And also right here that is on both of them. It just kind of, again, splits at different points on both the sneakers. Then you got, the Futura logo, that one on that heel. this one on this heel. That's really sick. I'll kind of dive back into those in a second because there's actually one more detail I want to show about that portion of the sneaker in a second. But y'all can see this is the insole on them. Let me see here. Sorry. Sometimes it doesn't show properly, so I get a little flashlight going. So y'all can see that. We have the Nike SB logo, Raphael, and then you guys can see it says Futura Skateboards, I believe. That's just what I'm trying to read it reverse. So it's not very easy. But y'all can see that, and then some of the other details present are right there as well. And then you guys can see for this sneaker. Sorry, I'm just gonna turn the flashlight off. Boom. Y'all can see made in Vietnam, and some of the other details right there as well. And then we got kind of this purple lining on the top of the tongue tag. It's not like you can see the whole thing is like a white canvas material. Then we got kind of the blue tongue tag, actually, that's like a brighter blue, but then this purple lining is on top. So that's kind of cool. Back here by the heel, another really nice portion of the sneaker, which if you're actually taking pictures, if you go check out on my Instagram, I posted some early photos for these. This portion right here is actually reflective. If you take a picture with some flash, this portion right here, the Futura, the FL, that's going to reflect. Same with the top part by the heel right here. This is actually reflective in case you did not know. You might not be able to see that right now, but it is reflective in case you are curious. That's another really cool part of the shoe. Just thought I would show you all that. And I want to show you all this right here, kind of the Futura logos. As you guys can see, it's different on each one back by the heel. So 2 different colors where the logo is actually sitting on each sneaker. Just another sick portion. So really well done. Like, you can tell there was a lot of time and effort put into the sneaker, and that's something I can appreciate. There was clearly a lot of effort, a lot of work done to these, probably some pretty cool samples, a lot of ideas that got scratched, and then creating new ones, and then figuring out that this actually worked. And there's another portion of the sneaker I want to show you guys just so y'all can check that out up by the toe box. But just a lot of work was put into these. And again, I love those see-through soles. I love, again, the Futura logo we got on the inside right there. Definitely going to try and come across my size 9. But yeah, if anybody's interested, just hit me up. I got 10.5 and 11. They come with the OG box and laces. And I want to show you all the other laces they actually come with. You can see it's kind of that purple, kind of a bright purple, violet laces almost. So just another thing to show you guys right there. But a very, very cool pair. 1 of 10,000 in the world. Obviously, they are not numbered, but just keep in mind, these are hard to get. It's an expensive pair. I'll leave it at that. So yeah, hit me up if you got any offers, anything like that. If you want to see my eBay page, we're also got stuff listed there. The signature we got as well. I mean, this is just such a sick pair. I mean, these are going to go for bread, 100%. And I'm sure the main release is probably going to be almost impossible to get because most of these have been getting backdoored to death. It reminds me of the trophy rooms a little bit, but you can see what the early market is. It's absolutely crazy. Just go check GOAT. That'll kind of give you an indication of what they're going for right now. It's up there. So that's pretty much what I can say about the Futura SB Dunk Low we got coming soon. Again, a crazy pair, and hopefully you guys did enjoy this early pair review. And do not forget, check me out on Instagram down below. If y'all interested, hit me up. If any of y'all want this pair, got some offers, anything else I got, for sale on my story. I'm also buying pairs there. So if anybody got, bread reimagined, stuff like that for sale, hit me up. And if I didn't get back to you, DM me again, and I should see that. So that's it. And let me know your final thoughts on this pair. Will you be copping? Will you be going for it? Are you going to try and get it early? Let me know your thoughts, because again, it's a limited pair. So I'm sure once people take their L's, I don't even know where they're going to be sitting, because it's like a collector's item almost. So I'm just glad to have one to kind of, review with you guys, and that's really what I will mention about this sneaker. So, subscribe, like, I think we said, was trying to 200 likes on this video, but another little cool SB Dunk Low that we got right here. Again, the Kareem box it comes with, so, nothing else really too different there. But man, I mean, look at these. Crazy pair. So that's it. I'm T. Thank you guys, and hopefully I'll catch y'all in the next review. Coming soon. See y'all then. Peace. Sticks made a fucking